Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install NerdWallet Mortgage Insurance Research Checklist, complete guide step by step clearly. To install the NerdWallet Mortgage Insurance Research Checklist, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for NerdWallet and hit enter. Once the site loads, navigate to the search bar located at the top of the page. Type in Mortgage Insurance Research Checklist and select the relevant search result. After accessing the checklist page, look for the download option. Click on the download button to save the checklist to your computer. Next, locate the downloaded file in your downloads folder. Right-click on the file and choose extract if it is in a zipped format. Open the extracted folder to find the checklist in a readable format. If necessary, open the checklist with your preferred document viewer. Take a moment to review the contents of the checklist for thorough understanding. Prepare to gather information for each item listed on the checklist. You may want to print the checklist for easier reference during your research. Discuss with a partner or financial advisor if you have questions about the checklist items. Begin collecting the required information needed to complete the checklist. As you gather data, check off completed items for better organization. Make sure to stay informed about mortgage insurance options and requirements. Finalize your research by ensuring all items are addressed on the checklist. Once completed, save your document for future reference. You can now use this checklist as a valuable resource during your mortgage journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.